Is Raat Ki Subah is an excellent movie, Sudhir Mishra's production. It talks about a love triangle. The guy, Nirmal Pandey, he has a girlfriend and he has a wife. And he is going around with his girlfriend clandestinely. But these things you cannot hide for long. She comes to know about it, the wife, Tara Deshpande, and she's very despondent, just like other wives, like typical wives. She sobs, cries, and just to make him jealous, she gets in touch with another guy whom she just shows in front of her husband. Shows that she's in love, but no husband. Here I didn't understand one concept. When he was in love, Nirmal Pandey was already in love with a gal and the feeling was reciprocated. How did it make a difference if his wife was also going around with someone? I mean, they could have settled the matter. You cannot sail on two boats, right? You have to make your point clear. You have to put your feet firm on the ground as to what you exactly want. Whether you want to be with your wife, then forget about the gal, or you want to choose the gal, then just settle the matter amicably. When he saw her with another guy, he was not very comfortable, and he seemed spineless because he was not able to take decision. He used to say the same thing to his wife and the gal as well. Like she said, he used to say, "I love you," and for both of them. Then how did it matter? Then how will the problem be solved? But his stand was that he will not leave his wife Pooja, and he made it very clear to this gal also, and she was very disappointed. The girl was very disappointed, and she ultimately left for Paris because she was an actress, and she said that she was totally heartbroken, and he ultimately chose his wife, and they actually relocated to Calcutta from Mumbai. But in between, they have shown Ashish Vidyarthi, Saurabh Shukla. These are all criminal gang. They belong to the criminal gang. But ultimately, there's criminal. All of them were defeated, and the movie usually rotates around this, the love triangle. But yeah, these people also picked a fight with Nirmal because he was in a cafe, he was in a bar, making a call to his wife, and this Ashish Vidyarthi, who was kind of Don, he just barged in, and there was a fight, and he wanted to kill Nirmal, but somehow all these matters were settled, and they ultimately. So, what do you think about the movie? Bottom line is that, see, love is something which people say that it happens without rhyme or reason. You don't use your brain. Okay, right, fine. Then you have to choose, right? You cannot keep on. Again, I don't want to repeat the same thing. You need to choose. You need to take a decision. Whether you want here, it's fine. He took a decision ultimately. So, but the movie is excellent. Few of the songs are really good, and even he is there. Madhavan is also there singing one song in a party where they had thrown a party. So 5 stars. Very good movie.